Rama comes and gives the essence of Vedas as 112 Upanishads. Then Krishna comes, reveals the essence of the Upanishads as Bhagavad Gita. Then Paramashiva ordains Brahma to take birth as Manu, Vishnu to take birth as Vyasa, and establish the Dharma for this age. Then Brahma comes as Manu, gives Manuvadi Dharma Shastra, the Manusmriti. Vishnu comes as Vyasa, gives an amazing book of books called Brahma Sutra.